about to show you a legendary strategy to grow any account size until you start complaining that the profits on your accounts are now too much. Hello guys, so this is Mr. P, and today guys, I'll actually just be showing you a crazy strategy right now. Guys, we actually dropped a nice strategy just a few days ago, Mastery 101, right? We actually dropped that particular strategy, and I've received hundreds of testimonies, hundreds of screenshots telling me of how they actually withdrew, how it was their first time of cashing out from the Forex market using that particular strategy just like that. Now guys, what I'm going to be showing you today, if that one is so good, then this one, it's legendary. This particular strategy I'm about to show you is legendary. Now, what I'm about to give you now, nobody, I doubt any person would want to give it out for free. I really doubt anyone. Maybe someone will, but I really doubt. What I'm about to drop now is going to change how you actually take trades completely. It's just going to change everything completely. Now, guys, if you're actually new to this particular YouTube channel, just simply hit on subscription button there, guys. Just hit on subscription button. Remember to turn on notification bell also, and remember to like this video, guys. Just remember to like this video like that, right? And if you're actually new also, if you're already part of the team, just go in the comment section and actually just drop your comments there, because I will actually just be reading every single comment there just like that. Now guys, this particular strategy I'm about to drop now, it will be available on the website mrpfx.com just 3 days from now, right? Just 3 days from now, it will be available on mrpfx.com. So guys, not to waste so much time, let's dive into this particular stuff now. So that this is exactly what you're having currently, guys. This is exactly what you're having. Now, first of all, just once again, I actually didn't create this particular indicator from the scratch, right? I actually did just some modifications so that this particular stuff can actually be as perfect as it is currently. Right now, guys, just before we actually go on, just remember, guys, that you can use this particular strategy on on US 100, on your boom and crash, on your volatility indices, right? You can actually use it on your US 30, your XAU USD, your Euro USD, right? And also your GBP USD. You can actually use it on this chart. Now you can use it on the others, but where it's actually been tested and proven are these charts that I actually just mentioned for you. I'm actually going to show you exactly how this strategy actually works, after which we are actually just going to be applying the strategy to go into some trades, right, for today. When this particular indicator actually is available on the website, or that's when this video hits 500 likes, or just 3 days from now, right? When it's available on the website, you just simply need to download it. You should download it in a zip format. Now you actually want to unzip that file first. You want to copy it. After unzipping it, you want to go under your files on your MetaTrader. You want to go under your open data folder. Now after getting there, you actually want to go on your MQL5, and you actually want to paste it in your indicators like that. Now, the name of this particular indicator, or the name of this particular strategy, is actually called Booster 102, right? Booster 102. Now, what do you notice? It was actually playing around the spot, after which it got to this point, right? And then it started dropping down like this. Now, what am I trying to tell you? I'm trying to tell you that immediately as the stock drops down or pushes up, now I want to wait for my normal common retest, which is very common, right? It breaks down through the like this. It broke down towards my Booster 102, right? It broke down like this. Now what I want to wait for now is I want to wait for this particular stuff to push back up and link up with this my with this my wick that I'm actually having here, right? I want to link up with my wick. You can see it. It actually dropped down. Now, boom, it linked up with my wick here. Immediately as it links up with my wick, what I want to do is I want to storm into some sell positions, right? Because it has linked up with my with one of my wicks that are here. Now, let's actually look at something that actually looks even much more easier. Good. So we can actually see this, right? We can actually see this. Now, what do you notice here? This stuff was actually playing around, after which it broke below my Booster 102, right? It broke below it. Now, after that, what do you notice? You notice that this particular stuff, the wick of this particular bearish candlestick actually linked up with it here. Now, let's actually try zooming that in a bit. Now you can actually see it, right? They actually both linked at about this spot. Now immediately as the link, what do I want to do? I want to storm into this trade, right? I just want to storm into this trade. Now immediately I start storming into this trade, what do you notice? Boom, it starts dropping down like that. It starts dropping down. Look at it. it starts dropping down like that. Now, if you notice this, would I have gone into this trade? No. The reason why I wouldn't have gone into this trade is because this actually dropped down. Let me try zooming that out. This actually dropped down, right? But it never came back up to this place to link up. So what do? I just leave the trades to actually flow. I don't even stress myself as regards that trade. Now, if we look at another one, okay, which is actually this. I think this is what I wanted to show you. Now, it actually dropped down. It never linked up here, right? Because it never linked up, I'm not going to the trade. Yeah, it dropped down. Yeah, but I'm not going to such a trade. Now, look at this, guys. This one actually dropped down, after which you notice that these two stuff actually linked up. Can you see this, guys? They actually linked up like this at about this spot. Now, immediately as they actually link like that, what do I want to do? I want to storm into my trades. I want to storm into my trades. Now, guys, that's just how speculative actually works. Now, how do I place my take profit now and my stop loss? Now, my take profit, I can actually place it using the first method or the second method. Now, the first method I can use is by using the levels of the chart, right? The normal steps. I can decide to use the levels of the chart here, which is this 1, and this is 2. Right now, I can decide to use those levels. Number 2 is I can decide to use my bullish engulfing or my bearish engulfing patterns, right? Now, in such a way that what am I having here? I'm having this particular stuff linking up here. This is my first step. Right, I want to place in my this is my first step. I actually want to place in my take profit here, and this is my second step. I want to place in my second take profit at the spot. Now, guys, remember, I'm actually using 15 minutes time frame all the time. Now, the second method, which I prefer using because that's where I get to catch more pips, is by using my bullish engulfing or my bearish engulfing pattern, right? Now, in such a way that what am I doing here now? I'm actually waiting for this stuff to keep dropping, and it keeps dropping. It keeps forming little candlesticks now, and boom, suddenly this bullish engulfing was formed, and I'm out of the trade. So that looking at the trade for today, guys, what you can actually see is this now. Remember, guys, 15 minutes time frame. Don't forget that, guys. That's extremely important, right? Now, looking at this particular stuff now on a US 100, what you can actually see is this particular stuff was actually playing around the spot. You can actually see, boom, it broke down just like I told you. Now, what I'm actually waiting for now is I'm actually waiting for this particular stuff to come link up with one of the wicks of this place, and boom, you can actually see it actually linked up. In fact, there's a second link up at about this spot. We already know how to leave this trade. If this particular stuff pushes and you start seeing the candlestick here, right? When you start seeing the candlestick around this spot, that is, it pushes above this particular, so you start seeing the candlestick there, it means that we should actually just zoom off this trade just like that. Now, for the now, guys, this particular stuff has linked up here. What we can actually just do now is go into our trade. We already know how to leave the trade, also our take profit. We actually want to watch out for our levels, right? We actually want to watch out for our levels. In this case, seems like there are even no levels at about this spot, so the only thing we can actually use is to use our bullish engulfing pattern because we're actually going on sales. So, guys, let's actually stop into this trade now. So technically, guys, we're actually done. Is just to actually wait. This stuff is already taking off. You can actually see it's already pushing already. We're actually having about 265 bucks already on this particular stuff. It's actually playing around now, right? It's actually just taking off smoothly like that. 294, right? It's actually just moving like that. So guys, we'll actually just check this particular stuff later, and we'll just end this video. Okay, guys, so this is exactly what you're having. So if you actually check out this particular stuff, this stuff has been dropping from our level there. It has just been pushing down just like that, right? You can actually see that it has just been pushing down from a level just like that. You can actually see it now. The only thing we can actually do, guys, now is actually just to leave the trade and actually just wait, right? We actually just need to wait, but I don't want this particular video to be so long, so I'll actually just end this video here just like that. It made us actually see a bullish engulfing. I'm actually zooming off this trade like that because there are actually no step levels to actually watch out for. So it made us, it just gives me a bullish engulfing. It means the reversal wants to happen. I should just actually zoom off this trade. So currently we're actually having about 5.8k. It was about 6k just now, but seems like this actually dropped like that. So guys, that's just how speculative actually goes. So that's just how speculative actually goes, guys. So guys, just remember to actually follow all the rules which are actually stated in the video, guys. Just simply follow the rules, guys. It's just follow the rules. It's actually extremely easy, guys. So you just need to make sure you actually place your take profits nicely, just the way I told you. You want to make sure you watch out for your stop loss, just like I also explained. You have to make sure that it's on your 15 minutes time frame, just like I also explained. Remember to use it on all the charts which I actually explained also. If you can follow all these rules, guys, then you just be hitting the market back to back until you start complaining that the profits are too much, just like that. So guys, just remember, if you are new to this particular YouTube channel, just remember to hit on subscription button, guys. Hit on subscription button there, and remember to hit on like button, and remember to turn notification bell so you don't miss any videos that'll be dropping out from this place, just like that. So guys, just remember to drop your comment down there. Also, I'll actually be going through the comments and we'll be selecting for one random subscriber, which I will actually just be funding the accounts, just like that. Right now, guys, also remember, if you want a funded account, a larger account to actually trade, a larger fund prop firm account, you can actually do that on the tradercapital.com. right? They actually offer prop firm accounts for synthetic indices to trade, like your boom and crash, volatility indices, synthetic your step index, and other synthetic indices, just like that. Or you can decide to trade your normal forex, right? Your normal forex pairs, or your commodities, or your stock indices. You can actually do every single thing there on the tradercapital.com. Also, guys, just remember that this particular strategy is going to come for free. You are not paying a dime for it, guys. So just remember that this particular strategy will be available on the website just 3 days from now, or when this particular video actually hits 500 likes, just like that. So immediately as this video hits 500 likes, this particular strategy will be uploaded onto the website automatically and very fast, just like that. So guys, that's just how this particular strategy goes. It's a bye from me, guys. I'm Mr. P. Peace.